Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another video here. Old School Soul Food YouTube channel. Like I said, I'm Chef Jeffrey. I just like good old sound home, southern, old school, easy cooking. All my recipes are simple, to the point. I don't go extravagant, expensive ingredients and stuff. Just simple, easy ingredients that you can do at home. So welcome to my kitchen. So today, we're gonna be doing something I kind of created, put a little spin on. I got this is my old school buffalo hot wings, chicken wings. And years and years I've been trying to develop a chicken wing that's crispy, flavorful. The sauce clings to the chicken, doesn't fall off, and it's not greasy. So it's something I've been doing for like 20 years now. And whenever I make them, my friends and relatives just go absolutely crazy for them. So anyway, to get started here, I got some chicken wings here. I only use the leg part, like the big part, and the little middle part of the wing. I save these little tips here when I make chicken stock. When I make old school chicken stock, I freeze this until I have enough of them to make my old school chicken stock. Okay, first thing I do here, I got my skillet heating up. I got my oil. I use blackened skillet because of the heat, you know, because of the, it conducts heat really, really good. And I got my oven up to 450 degrees, preheated. And I'll tell you why later, why I got it that hot. So very simple ingredients here. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna get this out of the way for my sauce. I'll show you later what I'm gonna do with this. Okay, first I'm gonna season the chicken. If you ever watched my videos for a while, you know I love this seasoning, the cabinet meat seasoning. It's like a combination of salt and pepper, lemon pepper, all combined, garlic powder, all combined in one. It's an awesome spice. I use it for everything. And this is what I use to season my chicken wing. So I do this real liberally, because it's not really salty, it's just flavorful. So I put a lot of that on there, toss it in here. Together here, really, really good. Yeah, it's all good and seasoned. You think like it's a lot of seasoning, but it's not. You want your chicken wings to be really, really seasoned. And what you can do, you can let this sit overnight and kind of marinate too, give it even more flavor. Okay, now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna dust them in flour. I'm not gonna bread it in flour. I'm gonna dust it in flour. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do here. This is what's gonna make it really, really crispy. I'll take some all-purpose flour, and I like to use my shake and bake bag here. Number one, it gets it coated really, really well. Number two, you don't get your hands dirty. So I put some flour in here, and I use cornstarch. Cornstarch is the key to make anything really, really crispy. So I'm gonna put some cornstarch in here, mix it with the flour. Mix it up in there. All right. Now we're gonna put our chicken wings in here. Wash my hands off here. I gotta be careful when you're messing with chicken. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna do our little shaking thing here. That's it. We're gonna go in here, dust the chicken off, and throw it into the hot grease. I got some grease here in the back heating up even better. Turn my fire up. We'll start with the back one first. And that's the key. You want it to fry it up really, really crispy. And I got a sheet pan here to my left. And I'm gonna finish them off in the oven. That's why I got my oven up to 500 degrees. So I want it really, really, get really, really crispy. Keep that nice golden color. And then also eliminate the chicken from being so greasy. So, another thing, don't overcrowd your skillet. When you overcrowd the skillets, of course, you're gonna be boiling your chicken instead of frying it. Okay, get them all in there. One more here. All right, we'll Put the rest of them in here. Shake it up. Like I say, this is a real grocery bag. Come in handy for me. Because, like I say, I'm using the, you can use it for trash bags, and I'm using the shake and bake my chicken in. Can't go wrong with that. Okay. A little bit more in this skillet. I got like 4 blackening skillets all on. I love my blackening skillets, especially the fried chicken in. You can't go wrong with cooked cornbread in. There we go. Let that cook a little. Like I say, this whole thing doesn't take long. The longest part is, you know, is the chicken part. I got a few more in here to cook off. This out the way. Okay. Get around here. Smells so good. That's the Cabernet meat seasoning. It's awesome seasoning. So I'm going to let these cook. It takes about 10, 15 minutes for them to brown like I want it. And I'm going to be right back because I'm not going to just run the video. Y'all see me fry chicken. So I'm going to be right back when the chicken is almost done. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. Chicken done run. We're going to flip it over here. See, you got that nice golden brown on there. Look at that. That's what you want. Nice golden brown. And like I say, I just dusted it in flour. You don't want to bread it in flour. You don't want that. I just want the little coating on there. Well, when I put the sauce on there, it'll something to cling to. Flip these over. And shoot, you can, if you don't like to put the sauce on it, like sometimes my friends get me before I put the sauce on it, you can just eat it right there without the sauce on it. It's regular old good flavorful chicken wings. Go. Looking really, really nicely there. There we go. We're going to let these cook about 10 more minutes. And I'll be back. When these are ready, I'm going to put the other ones in there. And I'm going to put it in the oven here, and I'll be right back here in a few minutes. After I take these out, and after I put the other ones in, we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I got the last batch of chickens in here, and I got it on the sheet. After I took it out of the fryer, I put it on the sheet pan here with a wire rack on here. I do that for 2 reasons. I want to brown this chicken a little bit more. I really want to get it a little bit more crispier, which is already crispy. With the cornstarch in there, it helps crispiness. Plus, I want to drain all that oil, because the key is when you put it in the oven, of course, it's going to, at 500 degrees, it's going to cook it so quick. The oil is going to come to the bottom of the pan. And number 2, the reason I do that, because I don't want any oil. I don't want this chicken to have any oily residue on it. So the sauce can cling to the chicken completely. That's the key. When you eat a buffalo wing, you want the sauce to really, really cling to the chicken. So I'm going to take this out of there. Put the rest of them here on the rack. This chicken already crispy. See how nice and golden brown crispy it is? You actually could eat it just like this. You actually could eat it just like this. Okay, now turn this off. And I got my oven. Remember, I got my oven all the way up to 500 degrees. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 15, 20 minutes. It's going to, number 1, cook the rest of the chicken. So this chicken only cooked 3/4 of the way off. So it's going to finish cooking the chicken the rest of the way. Plus, it's going to drain the rest of the oil off of there and give it extra crispiness. So we're going to put it in the oven here. And now, we're going to get to work on the sauce here, which is so simple. You can't believe how simple this is. Okay. Put this around here. All the sauce is hot sauce, Louisiana hot sauce, which I got right here. You already got some in the measuring cup here. Louisiana hot sauce, butter, and sambal. All sambal is an Asian hot sauce. You can find this in the Asian store or in the supermarket, in the Asian section of the supermarket. It's called sambal. That's the key. It's not overpoweringly hot, but it has flavor. And I always add things in my recipe for a reason. I just don't add it just to be adding things. Some people cook and just add stuff just to be added. Every time I do something in my recipes, as you notice, it adds to it. It adds some kind of flavor, adds some kind of texture to it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the butter in here. We're gonna dump all this in together, very simple. Put all the hot sauce in there. About a tablespoon of this here sambal here. And the recipe is on the description of the video, I forgot to tell you. So don't flip out that I'm not telling you the recipe. So it's in the description of the video. Get this out the way. And what you want to do with this now, you just want to melt the butter into it and incorporate it. You don't want to boil this. Because if you boil it, you're going to split it. Because it has butter in there. So what I want to do here, just want to slowly melt the butter into the hot sauce and the sambal. And let's see how simple this sauce is. People think hot wings, buffalo wings, you buy at Wingstop and Buffalo Wild Wings and all them places. They charge an arm and a leg for hot wings when you can make it at home so simple yourself with a quarter of the price that they charge. It's ridiculous. But anyway, we're gonna slowly melt this up. It don't take long at all to do this. Melt this up. Butter's already melted together here. Like I say, you don't have to add the sambal if you don't like it spicy. But I'm not a spicy person. I don't like really spicy food. But this sambal gives it a special kind of spice to it, which I just can't stop eating it. It's spicy, but it's not overpoweringly hot. And when I start eating them, and my friends and co-workers and relatives start eating this stuff, they just can't stop. So I got about 6 people in my crew tonight to feed. That's why I'm making this. They'll be gone by the time I finish this video and plating it up after the video's done. Within 10 minutes, all these hot wings will be gone, I guarantee you. Yeah, they shaking their head back there. Yeah, I know. Behind the scenes, you never know what's going on behind the scenes in my house. But anyway, it's melting up here. And that's it. Now we're just gonna turn this off, and we're gonna wait about 10 more minutes till the chicken's ready. I'm gonna put it in the bowl, toss it in the bowl, and that'll be it. See how simple that is? So we're gonna let the chicken, we'll cover this up. We're gonna let the chicken finish cooking, and I'll be right back when the chicken's ready. We're gonna toss this together, and I'm gonna show you how it come out. Okay, y'all, I'm back here one more time here. We're gonna cut this oven off. You hear that chicken sizzling? I can just hear it and know it's ready. All right, take that out. See right here, you can see all that grease went to the bottom of that. That's what I want. All that to the bottom is the grease. That's what I want to happen. I don't want any grease on this chicken. So when I put the sauce on there, look here, it's gonna coat the chicken. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna place the chicken in the bowl here. Yeah, nice and crispy. Like I said, you can eat these chicken wings just like this. And it's very important you put it on a raw rack or something elevated, because if you don't, it's going to sit right in the grease, and you're ruining the purpose of putting it in the oven. Yeah, this is nice here. Nice golden brown, crispy. Yes, sir. All that grease in the bottom of that pan. Okay, we're gonna put that over there. Now we're gonna mix our sauce up here. Make sure mix it up a little bit more. Make sure everything's still incorporated. I'm gonna pour the sauce all the way over it. Just drown it in sauce because we want to soak all that sauce in there really good. I'm gonna toss it really good here. key right there. Now it's tossing all, it's soaking all into that chicken. It's soaking all the way up into that. And we're gonna plate this up in a minute here. I like to let it settle, you know, a little bit. Yeah, look at that. As long as it sits in there, as long as it, look at that. Wish y'all was here to smell this. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna plate this thing up. Here. Okay, I got my platter here. I got me some ranch dressing here. I got me some blue cheese here. The guys like both of them here. Some people like ranch, some people like blue cheese. I'm a blue cheese person myself, but I'll eat ranch too. I'm not picky. I'm gonna place it on here. Throw it around the platter there. Yeah, these things will be gone in no time. Around here. Can't go wrong with chicken wings. And the sauce that you have left, after I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with some of the sauce. But the sauce after I drizzle it on top, you can always put it in the refrigerator, reheat it up. It'll work. Okay, now then pour a little sauce in here. I like to put a little sauce all the way on the top of it. Make sure it soak all the way in there. See that? You gotta have that sauce on there. Look how beautiful that is. See that? Clean this up a little. And it's ready for TV. See that? Old school chicken wing, hot wing. Nice, crispy, flavorful. Can't go wrong with this. But you know what I'm about to do? I'm about to try one of these things here. Ooh, they hot. Oh yeah. See how tender that is? It's cooked. Oh my God. Look at that. Properly cooked. You gotta try this recipe. Have to try this recipe, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm in the moment here eating. These things are always so good. I could sit down and literally eat half of this platter. Literally. But this platter will be gone in about 20 minutes. But anyway, give this recipe thumbs up. Please comment. I really feed off the comments and the likes. That's why I know y'all really enjoying what I'm doing. So, but please subscribe to the page. Don't just watch the video and move on. Click the little red subscribe button right there where you can see everything I post in the future. So I hope you enjoyed this. And like I always say, until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.